warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NABIL IMRAN bin Hishammudin. I'm from Section 2, Introduction to Design. So today I will be presenting about flipper mechanism. First thing is, what is flipper mechanism? Flipper mechanism is a mechanism or a system that flips the orientation of an object. So, what is the purpose of flipper mechanism? The purpose of flipper mechanism is related to the meaning of the meaning of the mechanism itself, which is to flip the orientation of an object. That's all the job that the purposes that the flipper mechanism can do. They can't do anything else rather than reorientate the object or our product. So we're gonna move on to the component of the flipper mechanism. So flipper mechanism has 4 different components, which is flipper extension, button, and also a holder. So first thing is a flipper. Flipper is a main platform. It's a main platform for our product to land on before the flipping processes, or in the pinball machine. We use it as a ball deflector to deflect the ball from entering the trough. So the trough refers to the bottom of the pinball machine. So the next thing, we have a flipper extension. The flipper extension is used to transfer motion from button. So let's say we push the button, then the button will push the flipper extension, then the flipper extension is connected to the flipper via a wooden rod or any kind of rod. So the next thing is a button. Is the main the function of a button is to convert the force from our finger to push the flipper extension. Then the system goes on from there. And the last thing is the holder, which is the crucial part or crucial component for our flipper to operate, which is to hold everything in place. That's all the holder need to do, but it really plays a crucial role for our system. So I'm gonna move on to the design of the flipper mechanism. So right over here we have the illustration for the flipper mechanism. I built this myself to illustrate to you guys on how the flipper works. So we have here, this is the button that I was talking for. They have a flat surfaces and also a curved surfaces. So I will enter the button at this is the holder, and this is the flipper extension, and also this is the flipper. So when I push the button will push the flipper extension. So the flipper extension itself is connected to the flipper via a wooden rod. You can see there they have a wooden rod connected to it. So whenever I push this button, the button will push the flipper extension, and as you can see they have a rubber here. The rubber here will retract them as soon as I release the button. That's why this mechanism is just do one single thing. Push, they flip the product, and then we're gonna retract it. That's all the flipper can do. So for the last thing, suggestion to improve this mechanism. This mechanism is just simple. It's just self-explanatory. The main suggestion to improve this mechanism is to change this rubber band to a spring, so the mechanism would last longer, and it is also more professional, has more professional look into it rather than using this rubber band. So that's all for me. Bye bye.